Let's talk about a problem we have all faced, making your research stand out. Publishing a paper is only the first step, the real challenge. Ensuring your work reaches the right audience, that's where SciSpace PDF to video feature comes in. A tool designed to transform dense research papers into engaging video abstracts. Let me show you why this might be next big step for academic communication. Now, what is SciSpace PDF to video feature? In simple terms, SciSpace takes your research PDF and converts it into a professional-looking video abstract. It uses AI to extract the key points and presents them in a visually engaging format. Here's how it works. Upload your PDF. SciSpace analyzes it and generates a video in just 5 to 6 minutes. Download the video or share it directly to platforms like LinkedIn, X known as Twitter, or Facebook. It's quick, intuitive, and most importantly designed with researchers in mind. Now, why should academics use it? Now let's talk about why this tool is a must-have for academics. Number one, it's more than just written words. Instead of relying solely on PDFs, video abstracts make your findings more accessible. Visual summaries bridge the gap between the researchers and a wider audience, including students and non-specialists. Number two, boost visibility and citations. Research shows that sharing your work on platforms like LinkedIn or academic Twitter significantly boosts visibility. A video abstract can help your paper stand out in the sea of publications. Number three, attract diverse audiences. Many in academia and beyond prefer visual content. By offering your research in video format, you cater to different learning styles. What makes this tool unique? SciSpace PDF to video is built specifically for academic work. Here's what makes it special. Optimized for research PDFs. The AI is trained to handle complex academic papers, making it ideal for researchers, professors, and students. Speed and simplicity. It takes just minutes to turn your research into a video, so you can focus on what you do best, producing groundbreaking work. Free and accessible. Yes, it's free. You can explore premium features for additional benefits, but even the basic version is a game changer. Now let's talk about some limitations to consider. Like any tool, it's not without its limitation. No editing option, the video are fully AI generated, so you can't tweak the visuals or narration. The tool works best with well-structured research papers. PDFs with unconventional layouts may not convert as effectively. Number three, accuracy may vary. While the AI is impressive, it might oversimplify or misinterpret technical details. Always review the video to ensure accuracy. But these are minor trade-offs compared to the benefits it brings. Practical application for academics. So how can you use this tool in your academic journey? Number one, for conferences, share video abstract in conference submissions or as part of your presentation. Number two, in classroom, use video summaries to simplify complex topics for students. Number three, on social media, share your work with a global audience, increasing its impact and fostering collaboration. How to get started? Ready to give it a try? Here's how. Head over to SciSpace and sign up for free. Upload your research PDF and let the AI do its thing. Download your video and share it with colleagues, students, or on social media. SciSpace PDF to video is more than just a tool. It's a way to modernize how we share and engage with research. Whether you are an early career researcher or a seasoned academic, this feature can save you time while amplifying the impact of your work. If you have found this helpful, share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more academic tips here on Basic Steps. Until next time, keep researching, keep innovating, and keep inspiring.